Hey guys, I'm super excited for today's video. We are going to put together a capsule wardrobe of all thrifted items using really good name brand items like J. Crew, American Eagle that I got secondhand that we're going to turn into over 70 super cute, modest, mom on the go outfits for super cheap. And I'm going to show you how you can do this on your own as well. Let's get started and see all the great stuff I got and how I put them together. So this video is not sponsored. I want to make sure you know I am not sponsored by ThredUp, and I paid for all of this with my own money, and I do this on the regular because I find that this is the best way to get secondhand clothes in your brands that you like and the sizes that you like. So again, not sponsored. Nobody is paying me to make this video. But what I do is I find brands of clothes that fit me really well by going in store and trying them on and seeing what fits me well. I also pay attention to who makes clothes in 100% cotton, since I'm trying to switch my clothes to non-synthetic materials and just wear like 100% cotton, linen, things like that. And the best way to do that and the most affordable way to do that is to thrift it and do it through ThredUp online. So not sponsored. I'm just giving you guys all of this awesome information that I figured out on my own. So I have found that American Eagle jeans fit me the best, and I have found that J. Crew shirts are my style. They tend to be 100% cotton, and they just fit me really good. So whatever brands that you like, that you know fit you, you can find them on ThredUp, and you can like search it in your size and by material and everything. So here's all the pieces that I got in my shipment that I wanted to create a capsule wardrobe with, so I can show you how you don't need a lot of clothes, you don't need to spend a lot of money, but you can look really cute and put together. So let's make some outfits. The first outfit is this really cute little green shirt and some jogger shorts. I'll show you the brands of everything as I go. This is a Liz Claiborne, kind of vintage now at this point, but I think it's so cute. I love dressing like in the 90s still. I'm stuck in the 90s. But these joggers are super comfortable and cotton, as well as the top, and these joggers look so great with so many different tops. So I'm going to show you quite a few options of how you can dress up or dress down these type of jogger pants and create a lot of different outfits with the same capsule wardrobe. I find that the trick is to get your pants in all neutrals, and then you can switch out a bunch of different tops to go with these neutral colored pants. You'd be surprised how many different colors go with navy blue pants. Now, while I'm showing you all these different combinations, I'll give you even more secrets to saving money when using ThredUp to get your secondhand clothes. So what I like to do is, obviously you go in store, try things on, see which brands fit you well, and then go search those brands on ThredUp. Another thing you can do is when you sign up for their little membership or whatever, it doesn't cost anything, they'll email you coupons regularly. So I shop only when I have the coupons and get things even cheaper. Sometimes with the coupon codes you can get like another 60% off. So I tend to only spend like $6 for shirts for these expensive brands that I would never pay full price for in like new condition. These are all also in excellent like new condition, all of their clothes, and you get to see like really good pictures of everything, and they put like tons of measurements on everything, so you can really see if something fits you before you buy it. But also you can, when you search the brands and everything, you can sort things from price least to highest. So that's another little secret I'm going to share with you guys when you're shopping on ThredUp to get these really nice name brand clothes like J. Crew. You're going to search for J. Crew, put your sizes in, put in 100% cotton on there, and when things pull up, sort it from the price least to highest and get things even cheaper. So the pants that I get, I usually spend, like for my American Eagle jeans that you'll see me wearing in this video, I always spend less than $20 for these jeans. When brand new, they'd be like $60, sometimes even more. And a lot of the times I get them even for like $9.99. Like, you can really find amazing deals on here. The trick is to just search for things you know are already going to fit you. When buying things online, I hate it when you buy something and then you get it in person, you try it on, it looks terrible on you. But when you already know what brands look good on you, this makes shopping with ThredUp much easier. So I'm spending like $4 to $6 on tops and less than $20 on American Eagle jeans. And then for the other pants like the joggers, I'm spending like less than $10 on these pants as well. And honestly, that's cheaper than some of the Goodwill prices, and it's so much easier to shop on here because everything you can search it by the brands and size that you like, whereas if you were to shop for clothes at Goodwill, they may be able to get them just a tiny bit cheaper, but they may not have the brands you want. They may not have the size that you need, so I find that this works a lot better. And now that we're trying on jeans, I want to show you how you can just add a belt to jeans and make your outfit look 100 times more elevated. Look at how much that belt changes this outfit and makes it look so much better, so much more put together. It makes the proportions of my body make more sense. It helps to like bring in my waist a little bit, bring attention to the smallest area of my body. And if you have a different body type than I do, which you probably do, I mean, everybody is different, then you can dress things up or dress things down with accessories that suit your body type. So for instance, if you were an apple body type, you might want to have a thinner pant leg and then wear a longer shirt. But for me, I have a really long torso and really short legs, so I like to wear really high-waisted things and tuck my shirt in to help balance that out so that my legs appear longer. It is all about figuring out what works best for your body type. Again, that was a J. Crew shirt. Almost all my shirts are J. Crew just because I like that brand a lot, and I know that they have a lot of clothes in 100% cotton, which is important to me. I like adding a little bit of sparkle to outfits through jewels on the shirts too, which is probably like outdated for a lot of people, but I just think it's fun, and then I don't have to wear jewelry. I don't know why, I just don't like wearing jewelry. It must just be like a mom thing because my kids are always pulling on it when I'm holding on to them and carrying them around, so maybe that's why. Also, this belt was not from ThredUp. The belt was from Target, and I think it was like $10. They had some really affordable ones a few months ago. And I just love how these same jeans can go with all of these shirts and create so many different outfits using just the same exact clothes in this capsule wardrobe over and over and over again. This pair of jeans has a wider leg to it, which I'm trying out with my body type. I haven't done a like boot cut or straight cut leg jean in a really long time because I've been always wearing the skinny jeans, but I'm trying out the boot cut and the straight cut today in today's video, and I think it actually looks really nice. I feel like it looks a little more elevated, a little more upgrading the mom outfit. And I love this lighter tan belt with all of these outfits as well. What do you think so far of these outfits? Look, here you can see I have super high-waisted jeans, and I had 4 pairs of jeans here, and now I'm going to show you the second joggers that I got, which is in this like army green color, and they look so cute with almost all of the tops that I got as well. I'm not going to show you every single pair of jeans with every single shirt just because I feel like that would get a little bit repetitive since jeans and a shirt may look the same on camera over and over again. But look at how all of these shirts still look so cute with this different pair of joggers. We started out with the navy blue joggers. Now we're going to use this army green as our next neutral bottom, and I think it looks so cute with all of the shirts, and it's extremely comfortable. I don't know if it's just me, but I really love wearing capri pants. I have muscular calves, and so it's nice just like having them out instead of being in tight pants or anything like that. I also just like catching a breeze on my ankles, I guess. Next, I'm going to show you how we can dress up a little bit with still a comfortable and casual sort of pants. So these are Gap brand khakis, and I got them in a higher waist and added a belt to them to make them look just a little bit more elevated. When you're buying thrifted clothes online, the trick is to know how high you need your measurements to be for your high waist. I personally like my high-waisted stuff to be 10 inches or higher. Usually 11 to 13 is like perfect for me, which for a lot of people that would be way too high of a high rise, but for my body type that works. And all of these shirts look absolutely adorable with these khaki pants. I love that they just cut at the ankle right there. I think it looks so cute. I feel like this top and these khaki pants are one of my favorite outfits of this entire capsule wardrobe. Look at how cute that is. It's casual, put together, a little bit elevated. I feel like I really underestimated the power of a khaki pant. So when you're searching to go get your thrifted clothes, see if you can find yourself a cute pair of khakis in a brand that you know fits you well, or at least just in measurements that you know fit your body type really well. This top with these khakis I didn't really like. I feel like it made me look a little bit too wide here. So I'm going to have to wear different pants with these khakis just because I feel like with the wide leg of the khakis, that more relaxed fit, and then that wide shirt, it didn't go well together. But this top, oh my gosh, it is perfect, and perfect for fall as well. I think this is one of my favorites of the capsule wardrobe. But what do you think of today's capsule wardrobe? I hope you really enjoyed all of the tips and tricks and secrets that I shared with you. I took all of these clothes and I created over 70 different outfits. You didn't see all of them because I didn't try on all of the jeans, but I'm telling you, I could wear all of this for like 2 whole months and not wear the same outfit twice. I hope this helps. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!